In this video, I'll talk more about how DNS works, and hopefully that will make the previous video more clear to you. Let's start with some kind of client. That can be a laptop, a phone, anything that can run a web browser. In our case, there will also be a Linux server. To be more precise, a VPS running on that server. That VPS will have some kind of web server. That can be Nginx, Apache, Caddy, whatever. And that web server will be configured to serve dod-hp.com. Now, when you open a web browser on your client and type in dod-hp.com, your browser does not know where to connect. Having a domain name is not enough to create a connection. It also needs to know its IP address. So, assuming that there is no DNS cache, your browser needs to resolve a domain name to an IP address. How does this work? There is this thing called root name server. Your browser will take the rightmost part of a domain name, in our case .com, that is also called a top-level domain or TLD, and will send a request to the root name server, asking it, hey, what are the authoritative name servers for .com domains? Root name server will send back a response with a list of those name servers. Now, your browser can send another request, this time using the next part of a domain name, going from right to left. This time it will ask, hey, what are the authoritative name servers for dod-hp.com? It will get back a response, and if you remember from the previous video, those will be the 3 name servers we set up from Linode. Now, your browser can send one last request to one of those 3 Linode name servers and ask, hey, what is the A record for dod-hp.com? It will get a response, which will include an IP address, and now you can connect to the server using that IP address and ask for dod-hp.com. Because web server is configured to serve dod-hp.com, you will get a response. There is a lot more to DNS, but this is a good start and it is all we need for now.